Are you tired of jumping through hoops just to get a loan? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to the private lending revolution, where we'll explore why more and more Canadians are saying goodbye to traditional banks and hello to a new world of financial possibilities. Traditional banks have been the go-to for loans for decades, but let's face it, times are changing, and Canadians are feeling the squeeze. Here's why. Strict lending criteria. Banks are tightening their belts, making it harder for many to qualify for loans. Lengthy approval processes. In a fast-paced world, waiting weeks for a loan decision just doesn't cut it anymore. One-size-fits-all approach. Your financial situation is unique, so why settle for cookie-cutter solutions? Private lending is swooping in to save the day, offering solutions that banks can't or won't. Here's what's making Canadians switch. Tailored loan terms to fit your specific needs, more lenient credit requirements, because you're more than just a number. Get approved in days, not weeks, quick access to funds when you need them most. Work directly with decision makers. Build relationships based on trust and understanding. From real estate investments to business loans, solutions for scenarios that traditional banks might shy away from. Before you jump on the private lending bandwagon, let's talk about what you need to know. Interest rates. They might be higher than traditional banks, but the benefits often outweigh the costs. Due diligence. Always research your lender thoroughly. Not all heroes wear capes, but all reputable lenders have credentials. Read the fine print, understand all terms and conditions. Knowledge is power, especially in finance. Private lending isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in how Canadians access financial services. It's about choice, flexibility, and finding solutions that work for you. As we move further into 2025, the question isn't whether private lending will grow, but how quickly it will become the new norm. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Hit that like button if you're intrigued by private lending, and subscribe for more insights into Canada's evolving financial landscape. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, whether you stick with traditional banks or explore private lending, the key is finding what works best for your unique financial journey. Until next time, this is Let's Talk Insurance with Shagun Samuel, helping you navigate the exciting world of finance in 2025 and beyond.